These values are these KPIs, all of these things. We need to have a value-based metric. We need to have a performance-based metric. These are the things that we're going to hold our team to. There's an ownership cadence, communication cadence. All of these things are important. They need to know, as far as this stuff right here, the values needs to actually be integrated into your hiring process. We covered that yesterday. Every interview, it shouldn't matter if it's you or your office manager hosting an interview, because the actual values are what we're going to base our hire on, not how nice their smile was, not how friendly they were. I talked about warm body hiring yesterday, right? If you got a pulse, can fog a mirror, pass a drug test, you're hired. Don't do that, all right? Every daily huddle, talk about one of our values, one of our core principles. There's 5 days in a week, have 5 values, all right? Performance reviews. We're no longer saying, I think you did a good job this quarter. I think you had a rough time this quarter. These values are these KPIs, all of these things. We need to have a value-based metric. We need to have a performance-based metric. These are the things that we're going to hold our team to. So if a value is only in your head, it's just a preference. Give a recent example, living with each value from the last 2 weeks. Talent. So we're going to install the structured value-based hiring system. We're going to prepare the team for consistent hiring execution every time. We're going to build an actual hiring toolkit. So the value of that particular role is going to be outlined, not just the tasks, because we can teach tasks. It doesn't matter if they've set people up on decompression before. If they worked at another chiropractic office, they either got fired or they hated their job. So we need to find out why. So I would rather take somebody with excellent values, excellent culture, and teach them how to put somebody on a DRX than somebody who worked for a place that had a DRX down the road who might be a terrorist.